This is Wednesday, November 27, 2024. The current time is 7:23 in the AM Eastern Standard Time. What I have mapped out for last night for crude or light sweet crude oil is potential top at $70.66 with a possible entry point of 68.22. That's a substantial move on the crude. If you happen to catch every bit of that, then that's like a $3,000 move for a contract. The chance of actually catching all of that, if you want to be conservative, is relatively low. So it's not super smart to expect that entire move. A better entry, of course, yesterday was at 68.05, which I was at work at that time. That's the gist of for what I had for crude, and that's what I've had for this month, and I haven't really been watching it super, I guess, super, like, concentrating on it. But it kind of is what it is on crude. On ES, let me go to the 30-minute chart on that one. And I haven't been watching a whole lot of the market anyway, because I've had so much other crap to do and work on, be around. Today's my first off day I've had, and not be sick, and I don't know how long without any responsibilities outside of work or my kids. So I don't know when the hell I actually did this, when I mapped that off, and I don't know why it didn't show up on my other S&P 500 futures. But whatever I was mapping that off of, it hit perfectly at the 50% level. And again, I had no earthly idea what the hell I actually based that off of. If that was accurate, if it wants to stay accurate for whatever reason, then up there will be some resistance, I would imagine, at 61.0222, which is very close to right now. Right now, you're trading above the top of the average daily range, which shows that you're overbought overall. That doesn't mean that it won't just keep on rocketing. It just means that, for many algorithms, it sees it as being overbought. That's all that means. A much better entry for S&P 500 today for the futures contract would be roughly 59.35.70. That's where I would prefer to actually have entry or be closer to entry, because right now you're overbought. Right now it is a tug of war. I have no idea what information comes out today. The 9 moving average is going below the 50 moving average, which is typically not a good thing. That shows possible for reversal, or it can jump back up and take off again. My setup right now, it shows it being mostly neutral. And anytime when you're neutral or you're about to go over or beneath, or cross over on two moving averages, then you're going to have more neutrality, I guess. It's not going to be like a massive move either direction. Even on my phone right now, is a freaking 5-minute though past, I don't know, weeks and weeks and weeks. On my mobile, it's been way more accurate than anything else that I've had. I really haven't paid a whole lot of attention to it, but just whenever I'm checking it at work and stuff, the 5-minute chart has been insanely accurate on mobile. I'll give you, for example, when the S&P 500 actually hit the 60.47 on mobile, it's showing a high probability for reversal on mobile. And of course, it was a reversal at that point. And it hasn't showed. It basically goes like this from, if you want a quick scalper or something that's way more statistically advantageous to take, it's when it's near 60-47 on mobile on the 5 minute, and then whenever it comes down to 60-40, basically, like down to here, basically, that's when you're more neutral. Then the only time when it actually shows up as being potential for a reversal back to the upside is at exactly 12 o'clock midnight, which is right here roughly, and that it did have a reversal to the upside a little bit. And then you're okay. Let me show you this. All right, at the 5 minute mark or 5 minute chart, whenever it's into here, you're neutral, totally neutral. It's not buy or sell. And if it's already been in the high, then sometimes there'd be a whole lot of sales going on. And again, you're above where you're supposed to be trading at, or at least where many algorithms see it as being a buy. And you haven't had anything that shows up as being a massive buy or massive sell signal since. And that's one of the reasons why you don't get a huge fluctuation. But I think that false breakout, though, at midnight, that one did show up as being potential for reversal to the upside, and it was. And you didn't get a massive move up, so I think you're still. It can do anything, but I wouldn't want to be buying here. I'd much rather have a buy at a lower entry point. And sometimes that's just the way it is. You just wait. You never get your entry point. So it kind of is what it is. And I have alerts set for these as well. Oh, for some reason my alert on that one is a little bit too low. The alert up there is perfect. I need to probably move that one up a little bit. It's fine that I had that alert down there, though. That was just for absolute maximum pain to the low side. But looking at it again, I mean, that's on a technical, statistical basis, that's a better entry. 68.32. Does that mean it's going to hit? Does that mean that's going to be bottom? No, it don't. And just on a statistical basis, it just shows it being a better entry. Alright, I think I'm done with all this bull crap. I hope you're happy, healthy, and well. Goodbye.